Got a tractor? Where's the school bus? Where's a truck? Can you show me a truck? Where's the tractor again? That is so cool. You turn the page, look at some other ones.
Tractor.
Tractor. Yeah, that is a tractor.
Oh, the tractor.
Yeah, you're doing so good. You already know all this stuff.
The tractor. 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 Ooh, car. Car.
Fire truck.
Oh, a car. Oh, where's the car? Car. Car, 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 car. Oh,
Garbage truck.
oh, where's the car? Ooh,
What do you see?
car.
Truck. Where's the tractor?
Oh, no. Tractor.
Oh, good job. Let's look over here. Are there more over here? More.
Mm. And then yes, tractor.
That's a forklift.
Oh!
Oh! Those look like some tractors.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. A truck, yeah. That's on the farm. Let's look at this one.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look.
Fire truck.
Oh, look.
Yeah, fire truck. Let's look. Oh, look, a helicopter.
Oh.
You like the helicopter. What's that? What are those?
Oh, wait, I'm looking. Yeah, I'm looking.
Are those choo-choos? Look, choo-choo. Look.
I'm looking.
Okay, let's see. What's on the next? What are those?
It was here.
A boat? Oh, cool.
I'm looking. Yeah, I'm looking.
Airplane. He calls them Elmo bird.
I'm looking.
I know what you mean, though. You mean airplane.
Oh, where's your uncle?
Yeah. Good job. These are so cool.
Hey, get away!
All right, you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Give a kiss. Mwah.
Ooh, I'm uncle. Cool.
Yeah, your new favorite book.
Cool.
Trucks.
Tractor.
Tractor. Say tractor again. Where's the tractor? Show me. Where's the tractor?
Oh, tractor. Okay, tractor. Tractor.
Good job. Is that the sounds they make? Is that what car make?
Cool.
Or motorcycle? You're making the sound motorcycle.
Cool.
Cool. The boats.
Oh, look at the boat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at the boat.
Boat.
And then
You'll have to show Grandma when she comes here. You show her your book.
whoa.
Yeah, boats.
How?
The cars are on that big truck. Motorcycle. Those are good noises. You know what all that stuff does.
Oh, cool.